In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have multiple showcases on Steam. We'll walk through how to access your profile, open the Points shop, and use Steam points to add extra showcase slots or upgrade the ones you already have. I'll keep it straightforward and sprinkle in a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Steam client or heading to the Steam website and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your username. In the drop-down that appears, choose View My Profile. This takes you to your public profile page. On the right side near your name, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Click that to enter the profile editor, where all your customization options live. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Steam Points shop. You can get there using the link in the Featured Showcases area if it's visible, or simply find it from within the profile editor. The Points shop is where you spend Steam points to customize your profile. If you're new to Steam points, they're earned from purchases on Steam and through certain community interactions, and they're used only for cosmetics, nothing gameplay related. Inside the Points shop, open the Profile section and then go to Showcases. Take a moment to browse. You'll see items that upgrade existing showcase types, like expanding how many rare achievements or favorite games you can display. If your goal is to actually have more showcase panels on your profile, scroll to the bottom and look for additional showcases. These let you add extra slots beyond the default, using points. Pick the option that suits your needs and confirm your purchase. Steam will prompt you to finalize it, so just follow the on-screen confirmation. Once you're done, return to the profile editor. You'll now have more showcase slots available to assign. Choose which showcase types you want in each slot, things like achievements, artwork, favorite games, screenshots, and more, and fill them with the content you want to highlight. Take a moment to review how everything looks. If you don't see the changes right away on your public profile, refresh the page to load the new layout. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.